So kids, finally it's Ask Me Anything Day. Boggle me with your questions. Professor, what is the universe made of? And I had to ask if there is life other than us. But Professor, before everything, how even did this chaotic entropic mess start? Calm down students. Into the space. Scientists all over the world have been pondering for a long time just to answer the mystical question of how the universe was formed. There were a lot of speculations and proposals. At the end, these greatest minds with appropriate proofs found the most educated answer, the Big Bang Theory. Nearly 13.8 billion years ago, universe was in a physical state of super hot and infinitely dense point of singularity. Now we must know that the universe was not empty in the beginning. Though very small, it had some dimensions. From the beginning of the bang till about 10 to the power minus 43 seconds, universe was so hot that all knowledge of physical laws failed to function. Even time goes haywire. Scientists do not know anything about this time, but we know for sure that this bang ended up creating and expanding matter, energy, space and time. This time in the chronology is known as the Planck epoch. All the known forces such as gravity, strong nuclear, weak nuclear and electromagnetic were unified and known as the superforce. But by the end of this epoch, gravity broke away. Next came the grand unification epoch, where strong nuclear force stranded free from the superforce. Soon after, almost instantly, the universe expanded by a factor of the order of 10 to the power 26. Understanding the extent, universe went from the size of less than an atom to the size of an orange in no time. This expansion, however, cooled down the universe, leading to the separation of final two forces, weak nuclear and electromagnetic. The universe was still very hot for particle formation. The expansion cooled it further, leading to the Hadron epoch, where quarks for the first time formed neutrons and protons. Now we must know that it's just 1 second after the bang. During the lepton and nuclear epoch, protons and neutrons gave birth to nuclei and eventually helium. This ended the whole radiation era and gave rise to the matter era. Now universe, being cold enough, started recombination, where electrons binded to neutrons, forming hydrogen. Now, hydrogen and helium created clouds, which on supercompression formed galaxies. Later came the stars, which brewed almost all the elements we know today. The star-born elements are the key component of planets, moons, and life as we know today. The universe, almost 14 billion years ago, began experimenting in pursuit to give rise to the most stable components. It kept changing forms, and yes, everything we know today in the observable universe came from that tiny singularity. We don't know what's waiting for us. We are unsure what's been with us, but we will keep unraveling the mysteries, and as it is rightfully said, that all started with a big bang.